Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevrolet spark plugs. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and potential damage. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start working on any electrical components. Now, let's get to the old spark plugs. Begin by locating the ignition coils on top of the engine. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil, then use a 10mm socket to remove the coil mounting bolts. Gently pull each ignition coil straight up and out of its well. Finally, insert your spark plug socket into the well, loosen the old spark plug, and carefully remove it. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. Carefully hand-tighten each new plug into its well to prevent any cross-threading. Once snug, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually between 15 and 20 foot-pounds. Then, reinstall the ignition coils and reconnect their electrical connectors. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Now, start your engine and listen for any unusual sounds or misfires to ensure everything is working correctly. For those who love to read, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, remember to inspect your spark plug wires for any signs of wear or damage, and replace them if necessary for optimal engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.